Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me Shweta from Dhaatri Handicrafts. Hope you're all doing good. After a very long time, I'm uploading a long video. I do apologize for that. I'll try to be as regular as possible from now onwards. I generally make jewelry making videos, but today I wanted to make something really special. So I thought of making some incense stick holders. So I started off by taking a nice and fresh leaf, because the fresh leaves have very prominent ribs and veins, so it becomes easier for us to take an impression on the clay. So I rolled out a little clay by gently kneading it thoroughly, and once I rolled it out, I created a slab and I smoothened the surface using a little water. Always make sure that you use water but not oil to smoothen the surface. And my favorite tool, of course, a needle tool, which I use for almost everything. So once you've cut out the rims, you just have to gently take it out, only the excess part of it. Do not touch the project until it has semi-dried, okay? And once it's semi-dried, you can raise the edges in this manner, so that it gives a more prominent look, because leaves are generally curled on the edges, right? And once that's done, we need to make a incense stick holder, and we make it by using slip and score method, which I'm going to show in a little while. So we're going to take a half ball which has been carved out in the edges and mark the place where you want to attach it and gently score it in this manner. This is where we are going to apply the clay glue. So do it on both the parts, and this glue can be made by mixing a little water with the clay until it is in the form of a paste, and place it right on top of the other part and gently press it. And it's very important that you're gentle with the clay, otherwise you'll end up distorting the whole thing. And this part is a little tricky. The excess clay that comes out needs to be brushed off using a paint brush, or if you have a silicone brush, you can use that as well. But we cannot do it with finger because the finger is too thick to reach that part. So yeah, hope you liked today's video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.